Chiefs wide receiver Xavier Worthy was ruled out with a right shoulder injury tonight against the Chargers. Let's break this down. We're going to see some friendly fire here on a crossing route, and Worthy is not going to see Kelsey coming as he slams into his right shoulder. The initial impact causes the right shoulder to jar upward and backwards, and then as he hits the turf, it has a violent forward movement as well. After the play, we're going to see the trainer palpating for the shoulder socket, and once he finds it, he has Worthy bend forward with his left arm on Worthy's elbow. He's going to apply downward traction, and with the right hand, he appears to gently guide the humeral head back into the socket. This manual traction technique shows him moving the socket posteriorly, which favors an anterior dislocation of the right shoulder. When this occurs, the shoulder socket can rip out of the joint. If it stays here and gets stuck, we call it a dislocation, and if it spontaneously pops back in on its own, it's called a subluxation. You often see some damage to the labrum, which sometimes requires surgical repair if there's instability to the joint, like seen here, and sometimes we see rotator cuff tears along with this injury. He went back to the locker room for an x-ray, which can ID fractures of the humeral head, scapula, and clavicle, amongst other structures. NFL data suggests non-surgical anterior dislocations cost an average of 0 to 3 weeks. However, if there's any instability or weakness, surgery would ultimately be season-ending. Wishing Xavier Worthy a safe and speedy recovery.